y'all? This is Master Teacher Retraction. We back with another video, but before we get into it, I'm going to need you to make sure you hit the like button, because that's just like walking up in somebody's house and you don't say hi or anything, okay? It's it's house rules. As soon as you walk up in here, go ahead and hit that like button. All right? Just make sure, don't look at the like button and see how much people already liked it to determine whether. Just hit the like button, man. All right? You here? You on the video? Just hit the like button. All right? Stop playing. All right? And I appreciate you for hitting that like button. All right? So in this video, we're gonna be talking about why you so anxious. Okay? Why you got so much anxiety within. All right? And y'all know me. First thing I'm always going to talk about is the diet. All right, but before we get into that, we just have to know that the body is the mind. All right, and a lot of people be walking around with their head and their mind chopped off from their body. Okay, and this is manifesting through a lot of overthinking. And you guys overthink about a lot of things, just like I do sometimes. But the key is to be able to think and look at your life. All right, just look at your life real quick. Think about what it is that you think about. Why are you so anxious about it? Why is it making you so anxious? All right. So if you're anxious about girls, okay, why are you so anxious about girls? Because in the past, you've had girls not like you, okay? And then ask yourself, how many girls didn't like you? Okay? 2 out of how many girls? 2. Okay. How do you fix that? I just get more girls. All right, and then you're going to come across some women that's actually going to like you. And then once you have more experiences and positive experience with women, you're going to get outside of that, okay? But in order to get to that point, you have to take action. And you have to stop thinking and over-analyzing everything within your head and start moving the body, okay? The head is for conscious planning and thinking, all right? And then once you got your plan, you start to put that into action, and that's where the body come in, all right? And then the body walks you down your path in this realm to do what it is that needs to be done, all right? And then the body starts taking in data, breathing in, ingesting food, okay? And we gonna get to food in a minute. But start taking in data, all right? And then you can start to go off the subconscious and feelings, okay? Because feelings is connected to the subconscious mind, all right? And the subconscious mind knows a lot more than your conscious mind, all right? You just getting things started off your conscious mind's like the jump starter. And then your subconscious mind is like your long gears, like on the highway, and you keep it in that motion. That's why when you're trying to learn how to do something, you put repetition behind it, so you ain't got to think about it. All right? So another reason why you could be anxious is because of the food. All right? You just ain't been getting enough nutrients, okay? And society has always told us, as natural human beings, the most nutrient-dense bioavailable foods, keyword bioavailable, you can Google it and look it up, it's going to be fruits and vegetables, okay? But what you need to know about the human body is, it is a eater, all right? It requires a lot of energy, all right? So if you don't feed it what it needs, it's going to start to go into a different slow mode. It's going to start to slow down, okay? And what happens when you haven't eaten? All right, you start to get cranky, right? You start to get cranky. Your cells is feeling the same thing, okay, on the cellular level. Okay, so you start to feel that within the body. All right, because remember, the body is connected to feelings, and that's connected to the subconscious. So you start to feel anxiety. You may not know why it is, okay, but you over here trying to do OMAD or intermittent fasting when the body isn't trying to do intermittent fasting. Okay, that's why I'm always talking about preaching. Listen to your body. All right, the body will guide you on what to do. You just gotta tune in. Tune in. It'd be a lot of dudes and guys and women talking about, oh, I'm a vegan, OMAD, I don't eat every day, I eat once a day, I eat twice a day. I don't do none of that stuff, because my body is literally always changing. Sometimes I don't want to eat much in one day. Sometimes I don't want to eat the entire day. Okay, usually if I don't eat the entire day, I'm sick. There's something wrong with me. All right. And sometimes I only want to eat one time a day. Most of the time I eat 2 times a day. And sometimes I want to eat 3 or 4 times a day. It's based on the activity. Just like I was saying, the body intakes information from being in action, and then it gives back feedback. Okay, we need this, we need that, in order to keep going. Boom. All right, so your body can feel the anxiety. And the most nutrient-dense food is going to be red meat, like beef, beef, bison, things of that nature. Just make sure you're getting enough protein if you can't find beef. Main thing is just getting enough protein. All right, and let your body guide you on the fats. Fats and proteins is the essential macronutrients. You wouldn't be able to get up out of bed if you wasn't getting enough. Your body will crash, okay? Your body will crash. And if your body wants some plants, go ahead and throw some tomatoes, throw some cilantro, throw some avocados, eat a couple oranges, whatever your body agrees with, okay? But just don't neglect the body with cutting out meat out the diet, okay? Because it's essential to the human body. It is essential. All right, meat is the most calorically and nutrient-dense food on this realm, okay? And that's what's gonna help you. That's what's gonna help you with your anxiety. That's why you've been feeling it. So the problem is solved. So go ahead, try that. And don't just add meat to your diet. Make sure you eliminate foods that don't sit right in your gut, because your gut is the second brain. All right. So if your second brain is being disrupted by things that shouldn't be in your gut, then you need to leave them foods alone. All right. From my personal experience with my body mostly likes beef. Okay, it does the best on beef. Other people I see, when they start intaking primarily beef, they do well, very well. Okay, energy on point, everything on point. All right, some people like to cut out their carbohydrates. My body don't play that. Okay, it's gonna need some carbohydrates. But what I do, have some rice, cream of rice, and I'm usually straight. I'm straight with that. Have a little bit of cream of rice. Just make sure I'm on top of water if my body is thirsty. I don't force my body to drink water. I only give it enough. You don't want to over douse the body with fluids. Okay? The body is an auto-regulator. It don't need you regulating. Okay? It regulates the heart rate. It regulates the blood pressure. So it don't need you for that, boo-boo. It got this. So stop interfering with the body. Once you stop interfering with the body, it'll stop interfering with you. Okay? And that's it. I feel that I've given you enough information. Go ahead and get off this video and feel that you have enough information to solve this problem with you feeling so anxious. This should help you with women, okay? Or if you're a woman, this should help you have better relationships with men, okay? And find better men, okay? Because you're dealing with your inner world, okay? As above, so below. I'll go ahead and see you on the next video. Peace.